Hi guys, welcome back to another MD video. I was thinking the MX5 handles really well, but it's still a little bit shaky when you take the hardtop off because there's nothing structurally holding the top of the car to the body. So it's got a bit of a wobble, bit of a shake still. So I was thinking, what's the next best thing we can do is put it in a brace. So stick around. So the NB Miata had a cockpit brace, a brace that goes from one seatbelt pillar to the other one. And seeing as the NB didn't come out with one, or you can't get one for the NB because they don't make it, I was thinking maybe we should try and make one ourselves. It's either a really stupid idea or it might just work. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna try and make one ourselves. So let's jump right into it. So here's the plan. I've gotten a stainless steel tube that's pretty much exactly the length of one tower to the other tower on the other side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do some fine measurements. We're going to put a slight kink in it about let's say 15 centimeters from the side, so it's got a little bend in it. Because I was thinking if you have one solid straight brace, it's got no give. So if I put little bends just on the ends, it's going to have a little bit flex when the body does move, but it's going to go from one point to the other, and we're going to sand it down and spray it gloss black to match the interior. And after all that, we'll see if it actually works. Okay, so I've made some measurements, made some bends. As you saw, it's just a slight bend on each side. You saw me yanking on the pole. That's just going to give a little bit of a give point to when the body flexes or moves. It's going to allow the pole to bend in those areas instead of having a solid thing that has no flex at all. I think that's going to be a little bit better. Just for, I don't know, safety reasons. And now I gotta make some cuts, so let's get on with it. Okay, so I've just quickly test fitted and it seems to all line up good. I've drilled the holes. Now I've drawn how I need to round the edges, so I'm gonna grind that out. Cut the edges out and make it nice and smooth, and then I gotta start sanding it, and then we're gonna paint it, and then probably tomorrow we're gonna do the final install and it should be done. Okay, I had to hit the shower quickly because I was dirty after all that grinding, but that sounded wrong. Anyway, first coat's done. Looks like it's gonna rain, so I'm gonna call it good for today. We're gonna pick this up back tomorrow and then see how it goes from there. I'll see you then. Welcome back, guys. It is the next day. The weather's miserable again. It started raining yesterday. It's raining, it's wet, it's not a great day, but the brace is looking really good, and this is just after one coat of paint. I hit it with it's a primer paint combo 2-in-1. I'm gonna make a plan so I can spray in here in the garage, do another 2 coats on this, and then hopefully we can install it today still and see how she looks. Good, so the last coat's done, so now we gotta wait for it to dry, and then it's time to see if we can properly install this bad boy and get the seatbelt covers back on properly, and if everything seats correctly, should be good. So let's jump forward till that time and install this thing. Let's get to it. There we go, we are done. That actually came out very, very well. A lot better than I thought. The caps go on back. I had to remove, there's a small spacer that starts and then it goes into big spacers. I removed the small spacer and put the bar in between the 2 big spacers. It all seats correctly. The caps go back on. They can still turn, swivel for the seat belt. And it looks great. It just looks like it's supposed to be there. It blends in. You don't even know if you don't look for it. So I'm quite happy with that. So there it is, guys. Brace building, we are done. Let me know down in the comments below if you think this is a good idea and if it's actually going to work. So the only thing left to do for me is to take it on the road, take it through some corners and see how she handles. See if it's stiffened up the body. So anyway, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more, and then I will see you guys on the next one. See ya. Just a quick update here on the end. I took the car for a spin, took it around some circles, and it definitely works. It's holding a lot more firm, the body, pulling it together, no more shakiness. It's nice.